Hello and welcome to How We Do It. In this week's episode, we'll be taking a deep look into the watch manufacturing world with VERO Watch Company. VERO mills all their own cases, dials, crowns, and indices here in their shop in Portland, Oregon. What makes the Raleigh wind-up watch so unique is its open display back. This ingenious design feature gives its owner a deeper look at the inner workings and craftsmanship that go into every VERO watch. This is Kane, VERO's in-house horologist. He has a pretty important job that takes a lot of knowledge and even more patience. Each movement is tested at 6 different positions to ensure that each gear is properly set and balanced. Once the movement has passed its vigorous testing, it's time for assembly. This is where VERO's design style really comes together. Each watch is assembled in a stainless steel case with a sapphire crystal, hand-painted dial, polished hour, minute, and second hands, and either a leather or a nylon strap to finish it off. Special thanks to VERO Watch Company for giving us a tour of their shop here in Portland, Oregon. And thank you for tuning in to this week's How We Do It.